Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate your quick launch into your Redmi Note 12 Pro. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and go into additional settings option, this one. Go into here, choose against the shortcuts option, and here we got all our quick launch options. So for example, I want to activate launch camera. Go into this option, and here we got two options: double press the power key and double press the volume down when the screen is locked. So I want to activate, for example, only this first one. Activate this by tapping on the switcher, and let's try double press our power key. And how you can see, camera is open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.